In this video, I'm going to show you how we grew so fast on TikTok Shop that we scaled this client to over $1 million run rate and then forced them out of inventory, which is a bad thing, but it's also a good thing because we found what was working on TikTok Shop. Now, how do we do it? We followed my TikTok Sales Tsunami training. And so with the TikTok Sales Tsunami training, it's simple. What we're doing is we're going to seed a bunch of creators, meaning we're going to find a bunch of people to make a bunch of videos for us. And then what we're going to do is have them create those videos. Once they create those videos, we're going to pull them into an ad. And then the ad is going to help boost the videos even more. So we're going to get organic sales from creators and we're going to get ad sales from our ads as well. And then once the creators realize that, they're going to get more views on their videos when they create videos for us and our brand. They're going to create more videos, which then gives us even more ad creative. Now, let me show you the results here and I'll show you exactly how this works. All right, so this is what we did for this client. You can see right there, right in front of us, that we have 16,000 in sales, 21,000 in sales, 19,000 in sales, and $25,000 in sales. And that is because that is a per week sales, and around 20 to 21,000 is $1 million run rate. 21, I mean, it's actually a little under 20,000 because 20,000 times 52, 20,000 times 50 is $1 million. And so we got this client to $1 million run rate around week 13. And so you can see right here, week 13, and you can see the videos that were getting created by creators and how we did that. I want to show you my affiliate flywheel. But before I get into the affiliate flywheel, I want to show you what this also does to your Amazon account. So on the same account, Amazon is up over 45% in revenue and 12% in profit as a result of pushing TikTok. So we're seeing a huge lift on Amazon. We're seeing a huge lift on TikTok, and it's all because of the TikTok sales tsunami. So what we do is we hire creators. Creators create videos for us. After they create the videos, we then pull it into the ad platform. Once we pull it into the ad platform, we then make more sales as a result. Once we get more sales, we get to pay the creators. Once the creators see that they're getting paid, they create more videos, but then we create more ads and then we make more money. And then that allows us to get bigger creators and more creators. And we just keep going on this flywheel over and over again. And then what happens is it builds up to $1 million run rate business in about 13 weeks. Does this happen for everyone? No, of course it doesn't happen for everyone. But this is a case that I wanted to share with you guys because it works so incredibly well just by following this simple flywheel. And yes, you can learn to do this on your own, but we have the exact system on how to do it. So if you're interested in working with us, make sure you click the link down below or head to profitablepineapple.com/TikTok. Again, profitablepineapple.com/TikTok. Jump on a call with us. See if this system is right for you. See if your product and your brand is a good fit for the TikTok sales tsunami. Otherwise, keep educating yourself and you can learn this on your own, or you can follow somebody that's done it before.
Hey, I wanted to thank you for watching this video, and I picked out another video just for you. So make sure you check out that other video. And what do they need to do? Do they need to like and subscribe? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content.